On today's episode of Appetite for Cooking, we make brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken is not generally a spicy dish when Jamaicans prepare it, but on today's episode, we decided to tweak the recipe a bit and we decided to give it a little bit more kick. So I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to now start our brown stew chicken and we're going to first sear it. I prefer not to put oil in the pot and brown it that way. I'll do it on a grill pot, so that will allow for less oil within the recipe. That's just a personal preference. So we're now adding our chicken to the pot, skin down. This is about 6 pieces of chicken thighs. So as I am searing the exterior of the chicken, and once both sides have been done, I will then move it over to the actual pot to stew everything down with all the spices. And this is being cooked on an electric stove, mid setting at a 6 or 6.5 setting, or you could increase the temperature as you see fit. Okay, I think it's time to turn these pieces. Yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So my mom is in the background as consultant to this, just to make sure that I'm remembering everything correctly. And so far, she said I'm doing well. You are. Yes, you do. So, Mom, how many times did we have brown stewed chicken when we were growing up?
As many times, a lot of times.
Yes.
It was so easy to be done.
Okay. Well, this batch looks like it's ready to go.
Yes, it did.
So I guess we'll take it out, right, Mom?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is add our spices to this.
Correct.
And we've got a whole slew of spices for you. We're going to add water. Gonna have smoked paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, of allspice, just to give it a little bit more body. Turmeric. And regular paprika. And this is just a little bit of a nice flavor of nutmeg, just to give it a little bit of a something. So now we're going to add some wet spices, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, ginger, apple cider vinegar, and shallots, all pureed in a lovely bodied sauce that will be added to this. So you'll have the nice deep color that you usually see when you make brown stewed chicken. And all of this is going to stew down in a lovely thick broth. So what do you think so far, Mom?
Great.
I know it's a little different than what we are accustomed to, because I know this recipe is different than what your mom did. My grandmother, we call her Mama, did in Jamaica. So what do you think? So you think this is may just do it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, we're going to put a cover on this and let it stew down, thicken up.
Correct.
And have the chicken get nice and tender.
Right.
And I would say, how long do you think this would usually go for, Mom? About an hour, 2 hours?
Give it about an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay. Yeah. All right.
Until everything is cooked down.
Okay. All right. So we'll cook this down. And we will see you back when it actually has thickened up a bit. Okay? Now this looks like it's done.
Yes, it is.
Lovely. It's a nice deep brown, reddish brown color.
Yes, it is.
We did add potatoes. Mom reminded me that we needed to put some potatoes in this, so we did add potatoes to the recipe. And we made sure that the potatoes are still tender, that you could actually pierce the potato and it actually is just really soft. So we will call this done. So we're going to plate this up and tempt you with this lovely dish. So, Mom, what do you think?
Wow. It looks so good.
It's the right color?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So I think we got it right.
Mm-hmm.
So as I said, the potatoes were added as a thickener to create a little bit more of a thicker gravy.
Correct.
Don't they usually put carrots in this, Mom?
You know, it's not everyone loves carrots, so it's just right how the way it is right now.
Okay. Brown stewed chicken, my mom's recipe. We tweaked it here and there, but I know you'll enjoy it. Check us out on social media and you'll get the recipe there. So enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.